when she go and buy ad, she choose engagement. Engagement is what? What are you looking for engagement? Engagement is like, share, or comment. So when you choose engagement, Facebook will go and look for people who love to like one. They are a people type of people, right? They see everything also they like one. Okay? Oh, so Facebook will show your ads to this group of people only. Because you tell Facebook you want this type of people, what? Right or not? You cannot blame Facebook. After that, she come back and tell me, hi, Vanda, waste money lah, Facebook ads. I got so many likes. Nobody buy my things. I said, then what you choose? Engagement. There? You tell Facebook you want likes, right? Facebook give you likes. Then you play Facebook for what? You want people to buy your things. Not engagement. Go conversion there. Catalog sales. Sales. You are e-commerce. You have to track conversion. Okay, so now let's say so many objectives here. So what objective you want to do? Okay, so you need to understand you can only choose one objective. Don't tell me, my ex, I also want engagement. Engagement, I also want people to come to my website. I also want traffic. Oh, then I also want people to give me their name, whatever. So many things. Cannot. Facebook say you can only do one thing. You want to do another thing, can. Start another ads, right or not? One picture, right? You can go and use in different objective. So you see this picture actually work best for which objective. Okay or not? It's okay one. You can test. But you need to understand first what is your objective. If you don't understand, you simply choose, will be wrong. Facebook will give you a wrong result. Okay? Okay, so the first one objective is awareness. What is awareness? So there are two types of awareness. One is brand awareness, one is reach. Brand awareness means Facebook will show your ads to people that likely to aware to brand. Okay? How Facebook know these people will aware to brand? Facebook will run survey sometimes on people. Do you get that survey before? Sometimes I'll get suddenly a pop-up. Facebook will ask questions to me. Sometimes I have good mood, then I answer. If I do good mood, then I click. Okay? So that is the brand awareness survey. In the survey, they will ask you, just very short question on you. Have you seen, Nike ads lately? Then you think whether got or not. If got, then you click. Now you are the brand awareness person. You aware of the brand. Okay? So on and off, you will get all this. Facebook will know one whether you're aware of the brand or not. Or you've been retargeted. Let's say you've been retargeted by Nike, and then you go and click. You also aware of the brand. So you are the brand awareness. There are people who, whatever brand you show to them, also they don't bother one. So they are not a brand awareness people. They fall under this category. So which one is a better audience for you? I cannot say this audience very bad, this audience very good, because it depends on your objective. Sometimes people want to be on quantity. I don't care. My brand is not strong. Because you are only a property agent. You don't go by branding. You are not a Milo, you are not a Maggie that they are so strong in their branding, they want people to remember their brand. For you to build up your brand is almost impossible. Right? You don't have $1 million budget to build up your brand. So don't bother about people remember your brand or not remember your brand. Probably it's not a brand awareness. Right? It's not necessary for you. Unless you start a company, then you want to do branding, then you go for your brand awareness. You might only want reach, but reach will not give you the quality that you want. Reach only, no reaction. People don't do anything. You cannot blame Facebook because people will just throw your ad up there. Don't care. Okay? Who are these people? Then you go for consideration. Consideration means traffic. You want traffic.